Level 5, Unit 10, adding ones with hundreds. In Unit 10.1, we're adding ones with hundreds using 100 to 300. Let's look at example A. We have 300 plus 2. If we look first at the ones unit, we have a 0 and a 2. So therefore, that is a 2. Now there's no other number in front of the 2, which means that the 30 is just going to carry over for the hundreds and the tens position for a final answer of 302. Example B. 200 plus what number equals 203? Well, the only thing that's changed is the ones position from 0 to 3, which means that you are adding 3 to get there. Unit 10.2. Add ones with hundreds using 300 to 500. Example A. 500 plus 9. In the ones position, we're adding 0 and 9 for an answer of 9. In the tens and hundreds position, there's nothing to combine, so we're just going to bring that 50 over for a final answer of 509. Example B. What number plus 4 equals 304? Well, what's the same is the 4, and what's missing is the 300s. So that is what we started with, because 300 plus 4 equals 304. Unit 10.3. Add ones with hundreds using 500 to 700. Example A. 600 plus 4. We look at combining the ones position first, we get a 4. There's nothing else to combine with the 0 and the tens or the 6 and the hundreds, so we just bring those two numbers over for an answer of 604. Example B. 800 plus what equals 807? Again, the 8 and 0 are the same, so the only thing that changed was the 0 to 7, so that means we added 7. Unit 10.4, adding ones with hundreds using 600 to 800. Example A. 800 plus 9. In the ones position, we have 0 and 9, so that gives us a 9. In the tens and hundreds position, there's nothing to add to it, so we just bring the 8 and the 0 over for a final answer of 809. Example B. What number plus 5 equals 705? Again, we notice that the 5s are the same, so what number would we have to add to 5 to give us 705? That would be 700. Unit 10.5. Add ones with hundreds using 700 to 900. Example A. We have 3 numbers that we're adding together. So let's start with the ones. We have 6, 0, and 0. That's 6. In the tens, we just have 0 and 0, so that's going to be 0. And in the hundreds, we have 3 and we have a 1, which is 4. So our final answer is 406. Example B. Also adding 3 numbers. So let's start with the ones. 2, 1, and 0. Add those 3 together, you get 3. If you look, we only have one number that has a tens or a hundreds, so those two numbers are just going to carry over for a final answer of 503.